So hey guys, how are you doing? And hope you are safe and doing well. So today we're gonna be talking about a launcher. It's not exactly a launcher, but it's a search bar, which is I guess 10 times more efficient than Windows search bar. I don't know how I discovered it, but after using it for a couple of days, I think it. I might tell you guys about its efficiency, and I highly recommend you guys to try it out. It's an awesome product. So without wasting more time, let's get straight to the point. So let me show you how the search bar looks like. So on pressing alt plus space bar, the search bar shows up, and here you can search anything. So let me search for Adobe, and it will list all the Adobe products installed in my system. It is showing less products, which the rest of the products it's not showing because I have limited the search results to 12. I will show you everything in this video. So the first thing first, we need to download the launcher. So head over to your browser and search for Uli, UELI. The link is in the description box down below. You may download it from there. So search for Uli and search, and the result, the first one, the second one, Uli, a keystroke launcher for Windows and Mac OS. Click on it, and it will take you to the website. And to download, head over to the download tab, and here you may download as per your operating system. I'm using Windows, so I have downloaded it. So you may download it, and after downloading it, the installation is basic installation. You need to just open the setup and keep on clicking yes, and it will get installed. And after you get installed, you will not see anything because it is running in the background. So to to the open it up, click on the icon to show more options, hidden option, and it will, here you can see a U logo. Just right click on it and select show, and it will, the search bar is ready to use, and you can search anything over here. uh, the first thing we should go to the we should change is the settings. And if you are using a low PC, I recommend you to change some settings as it may affect your performance. So there are more settings on how you want its appearance to be, how what should be the length of the search bar and whatnot, and you can just play around it with the settings over here. And even you can change the font family at the bottom, and you can just go through all the search options. So the thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head to the search engine. I will just change the Mac search result, which is I guess it was 24 at the beginning, and I have changed it to 12. And you can just play around with other settings over here, and your search bar is ready to use, and it is so efficient. Let me show you something. If you click on the search bar at the Windows, and it will take a long time to open, and if you search for Adobe, it will just show you the basic products, 5 results. But if I head to the Uli search bar and I type here Adobe, it will give me all the products. If I would have listed the max search result to more than 12. And it can not only perform search results, but it can perform mathematical equations like 4 plus 6, the answer is 12. You can even online search from here itself. For example, I would like to open my Facebook, so I will just type here facebook.com, and it will open with the default browser. In my case it's Google Chrome, and it, as you can see, it opens it up, and you can now just do whatever you want. And one thing I would like to show you more is you can search for any file or folder, and it will just present the result in a few seconds. Like one of my folder is music. Sorry, it was refreshing the index, I did notice that. There's a folder in my C drive. I guess it's not in my C drive, it's E drive, and its name is music. So fast results. Whereas if I go to my Windows server and And if I search here, it will get me the app, the Windows Media Player, the default music player. And if you notice, there is not there is no folder for which I searched for. Actually, I searched for the music folder in my C drive, but the Windows search couldn't search for it and end up giving wrong result, whereas the UE search bar gave it in a few seconds. Yeah, so this was the video, and there are a lot of couple of more features. You can just play around it, and for more you can just head over the document home page, and you can check it out here, features and features page, and you can check it out all the features. So this was the video, guys. Hope you guys liked the video, and if it did help, make sure to give us a like and not forget to subscribe our channel. Stay safe, guys. Stay home. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.